whoever gets a contract today gets their picture printed and put on my window. It says Employee of the Month.
Alright, that's pretty good.
Okay, and you can spin the wheel.
Alright, that's fair.
And I still owe him a $25 gift card.
That's cool.
Gotta be like that Steve-O picture with like the thumbs up. Give him the thumbs up. There you go, just like that. I got you guys presents.
That's what it's all about, isn't it? That's what it's always been about.
Christmas?
Yeah, Christmas. Christmas of the shoits.
Wow. Sweet. Still Nike.
Don't have yours yet. They're coming.
Alright. Back that.
Yep. All bagged up, nice, ready to rock.
Let's do it.
All right, we're wrapping up another killer week. The team is on fire, locking up deals like crazy. We're watching the market really closely to see what's going on with that. We're seeing price drops. We're seeing sellers finally start to come down to earth, what we've been waiting for a long time. We also went all the way up to Victorville. Man, that house up there, it needs some work. One that we got, we're told, oh, it just needs paint and carpet, the normal stuff we hear. Well, it needed significantly more than that. So we spent some time, all hands on deck, did some repairs up there, got that house ready for the market because we knew at the price we bought it at, time is of the essence. So we wanted to get that one flipped, get it on the market, and get that thing sold as soon as possible.
I know you want to make phone calls, but you have a bell to ring.
She did it?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, so our new girl, Vivienne, got a contract this week. I love seeing people get contracts for their first time because it just shows them what is actually possible in this business and where they can go with this. So when she got this, I told her to spin the wheel. She immediately looked at me and said, well, I'm gonna record this to make sure that I get what I land on. I'm like, really?
Just in case you try and pull fast on me.
No, dude. Of course, she lands on the $100 gift card, which is pretty much the best thing on there besides the team lunch. But I don't know how the team keeps landing on this. I feel like it's rigged. I'm gonna have to go make some changes.
Scott came through, so good deal.
And speaking of spin the wheel, Vicky was in the office the other day and we brought tacos in and she's mentioning how much she loves salsa. And I said, you know what? If you drink this salsa, I'll let you spin the wheel. Just thinking she'd never do it. Oh, sure enough, we look at her, there she goes. Drinks the whole thing of salsa, no big deal. Well worth that wheel spin on that one. Team camaraderie is very important, as you guys know. I always push this. We've always done so many outings. We've done Angels games. We've done great dinners. We've done party buses. We've done so many fun things. The other night we went over to a brewery, spent some time having some drinks, some barbecue, talked a little bit. It's the first time we've met the spouses of some of our newer employees, which was a lot of fun, kind of seeing what their other half is like at home. And that's so important to get to know the other half of your employee. So make sure you guys do that. We came out of there hungry. Well, not hungry, we ate a lot of food, but we came out of there ready to go, motivated, ready to close more deals. And we're gonna do another outing soon. Stay tuned, we'll tell you what it's like.
Where's this one?
That's the happy days.